Alright guys, my MacBook Pro speaker have just blown up after using Boom software from the App Store. Please note that this software is good, but it's supposed to be used with a headphone or external speaker and not your internal MacBook Pro or iMac speaker. It will blow and tear the speaker apart. So what we are doing here is actually try to listen out to the broken speaker before we repair it. So here it is guys, at full volume. It's one of my favorite songs by Silent Siren.
So did you hear that scratching, squeaking sound?
The phone there just
So you're gonna
try
fix
to
that
record the
soon?
voice at some other microphone,
And
but I
it's getting
didn't use
with
that
different songs.
audio anyway, so it's just for a note. Alright, maybe you cannot hear it, but over here
Right.
there's a screeching voice.
There you go. So we will try to fix it by
Alright guys, so we
fixing the
proceed
broken
to the
speaker.
repairing now. Basically, the first step we have to do is to open the back plate of the MacBook Pro to get access to the blown or torn speaker. You only have to unscrew these black plate screws and nothing more. After we disassemble the back plate, we can easily access the speaker here. For my case, it is the subwoofer which is blown and torn apart. So what we have to do is to get this super glue and glue it here, covering the speaker diaphragm. The main goal here is to make an airtight chamber for the subwoofer again. So go ahead and seal all the holes of the torn speakers so we have a good airtight chamber for the subwoofer. After that done, just wait for the super glue to dry it up. I forgot to mention that it is the best to use the type of super glue that doesn't harden like a resin type. That's why I recommend this UHU or UHU brand to use to fix your subwoofer.
This is my sister laptop. The speaker is still good. This is my iMute. So I make it. As you can see, the sound is a bit mute there. Well, because it's broken anyway, but it's better than before. Mute mine. How about this one? So basically I just use this UHU all-purpose. It's very cheap, 6 ringgit here, maybe $1 something if in US. Okay, let's see the difference. I mute mine. This is where we fix the speaker. So now we are hearing the original MacBook Pro speaker. As you can hear, maybe you can hear the bass more. And now let's mute my sister one and as you can hear, the sound quality is a bit diminished, but then you don't hear that scratching sound anymore. It kinda sound like other non-MacBook Pro speaker, you know, those cheap laptops. So let's try hear them both together again. Well, I think that's quite good enough, right? For a fix. Well, I guess I can settle down with this because I'm not really using a speaker anyway, because I'll be using headphone or earphone or maybe plug in direct to my speaker monitor. Alright guys, until next time, see you guys again.
Thank you for watching guys, and hope that helps you.